What's the meaning of autotrophic? Autotrophic. Autotrophic.
Autotrophic. Autotrophic. The term autotrophic refers to an organism's ability to produce its own organic compounds using energy from non-organic sources. This process is commonly known as photosynthesis and involves the conversion of light energy into chemical energy to produce glucose, sugar, from carbon dioxide and water. Autotrophs are capable of sustaining themselves and indirectly supporting other organisms in the food chain through their production of organic compounds. The ability to generate their own food through photosynthesis is a defining feature of autotrophs and sets them apart from heterotrophs, which rely on consuming organic matter for sustenance.